911 Quincy is the left side. Duplex, 6-bedroom, 2-bath house. Massive. Carpet is coming in 2 days on the steps, but everything's wood floors and mixed floor into the house. There's a living room, dining room. I want to take my shoes walking off in here, so I'll do the kitchen and we'll come back downstairs. The floors are still a little damp. There's a full bath tub. Bedroom 1. Each room has closets. Big bedrooms too. Second full bath, stand-up shower. For the bedrooms on the 3rd floor to use. We have carpet up here. This is the smallest bedroom here. We have a twin-size bed. Full size would be tight. Bedroom 5. And bedroom 6. All right, if interested, go to our website, parasoleproperties.com, the P-A-R-A-S-O-L-E, properties, plural with I-E-S.com. Submit an application on the homepage. And we'll be in touch by next business day with further instructions on how to schedule a showing. A stained glass window. Stove is on its way. Kitchen. There's pantry. Little sunroom, the outside steps to go to the back. The hill back there, but some yard. There's a huge basement too with the washer and dryer hookup, electric dryer in the basement. You have a wood shop down there, do whatever you want down there. It's very spacious. It's a proper 6-bedroom Victorian home. Gas steam boiler. Nice and toasty. In case you want a warmer or supplemental gas heater here. It's probably about 2,200 square foot.